two ground shakers within 4 hours of each other hit southern Leyte 7:30 in the morning and then the other at half an hour before noontime today in Zamboanga del Norte. The first quake in eastern Visayas registered intensity magnitude 5.8, while the second one in the northwest Mindanao Peninsula boasted a magnitude 5.4 intensity, as we hear more from our Rod Lagusad.
Parts of southern Leyte suffered damage after a magnitude 5.8 earthquake struck the province this morning. In photos shared by a resident from Liloan, southern Leyte, it can be seen that the road suffered cracks. Items in the store were knocked down. Cases of alcohol and soft drinks were also scattered. The inside of this house became a mess after the earthquake. According to the data from PWOX, the earthquake struck just after 7 this morning with a depth of 11 kilometers. The epicenter was recorded in the vicinity of San Francisco, southern Leyte, where intensity 6 was recorded. Intensity 5 was felt in various towns across the province, including Ubay, Bohol.
May mga buildings na crack and pati yung roads, may mga earthquake-induced landslides din. And ang gumalaw dito is an active fault west of Panaon Island. Nasa dagat. Mababaw siya, it's 11 kilometers, but imang 5.8 earthquake, hindi yan makapag-produce ng tsunami. Usually, ang tsunami natin would be around 7 and above.
As of 6 p.m., PWOX recorded 90 aftershocks, ranging from magnitude 1.5 to 2.9, but none of this were felt. Just before noon, a magnitude 5.4 earthquake struck the vicinity of Siocon, Zamboanga del Norte. PWOX initially reported a magnitude 6.1, but it was later downgraded after recalculation. Intensity 5 was recorded in Siocon, Zamboanga del Norte, Ipil, Zamboanga, Sibugay, and the city of Isabela.
43 kilometers considered as a deep earthquake yan, and ang source nito would be the Sulu Trench. When we say intensity 5, medyo malakas-lakas yan. Intensity 5 is considered as strong and generally felt by most people indoors and outdoors. And yung mga hanging objects would swing violently.
As of 6 p.m., 3 aftershocks were recorded. From PTV Manila, Rod Lagusad, Balitang Pambansa.